In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Clickup using the Imports/Exports feature within your workspace settings. This process can help streamline your workflow by ensuring that all relevant data is easily accessible within Clickup. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow, and I'll guide you through it in a smooth and understandable way. First, you'll want to navigate to your workspace avatar. This is typically located at the upper corner of your Clickup interface. Once you click on your workspace avatar, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Settings. This is your gateway to various customization options for your workspace, and today we're particularly interested in the Imports/Exports section. Clicking on this will bring you to the next step. With the Imports/Exports section open, you'll want to initiate the import process by clicking on Start Import. This action essentially sets the stage for bringing your external data into the Clickup environment. It's where we take that first step from having your data outside Clickup to making it an integral part of your project management toolkit. Once you've hit Start Import, you'll need to specify the source of your data. Clickup supports a variety of file types, but let's imagine you're working with a typical spreadsheet. Here, you'd select the option that relates to your file type, such as any spreadsheet. This selection ensures that Clickup understands the data structure it's about to handle. After choosing the import source, it's crucial to designate where this data will live within Clickup. You'll need to select the Clickup space where you want the imported data to reside. Think of spaces in Clickup as different rooms within a house, each room designed for specific tasks or teams. Selecting the right space ensures your imported data is organized alongside similar projects or tasks. Next, we move on to uploading and mapping. Upload your file, whether it's a CSV, Excel, or another supported format. Once your file is uploaded, you'll be asked to map the data columns to corresponding Clickup fields. This process is about aligning your data with Clickup's structure so the import makes sense contextually and functionally within your projects. Before completing the import, it's essential to review everything carefully. Double-check the mappings and look out for any potential errors that might disrupt your workflow. This final step acts as a quality control measure, ensuring that once the import is executed, your data appears correctly as intended. By following these steps meticulously, you can seamlessly integrate external data into your Clickup workspace, making your projects more comprehensive and well-rounded. So that's how you import data into Clickup, unlocking new potential for your project management efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!